In today's video, I'm gonna show you how the strange top 10 videos made over $117,000 profit, and more importantly, how anyone, anywhere, even if they have no experience or subscribers, can start making money on YouTube today without making any videos themselves. I promise you this is gonna be a good one, so stay tuned. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to make $100 or more. The examples that we're gonna give in this video are these people that are making way more than $100 per day by making videos on YouTube without doing any recording yourself. You don't even have to be on camera. All you have to do is remake videos that you're allowed to use. This is 100% legit. I did all the research, and there's something called Creative Commons that we're gonna show to you and talk about a little bit later in this video. I'm gonna show you guys how you can start making a ton of money from YouTube by just re-uploading videos that are already on YouTube, which can be done by anyone. So, most people think that you're not actually allowed to just reuse YouTube content and other people's content that they upload on YouTube. People think that there's copyrights and they're not allowed to reuse videos, and a lot of times that is actually true, but not always. Turns out there's something called Creative Commons, and what Creative Commons is it allows anyone, anywhere to reuse the video content that people upload to YouTube if they mark it as Creative Commons. And the cool thing is it's actually very easy to figure out what is Creative Commons and what is not if you know how, so try not to skip parts of this video. Alright, so I want to show you guys just a few examples of people who are actually doing this. So here, all I typed in was just scariest. So like scariest, you can see 3.1 million views. Top 15 scary videos, you see 6.3 million views 1 year ago. Scariest things caught on live TV, but you can do this for anything. Like you can just search top 10 and you can look at all of these different things. Here you can see 100,000 views 1 day ago, 13,000 views, 25 million views, all of these different videos, and you can enter all types of topics. My favorite topics to actually enter are things related to fitness, conspiracy theories, sports, fourth wall memes, things that people actually search all the time. So you're probably thinking, yeah, these people have millions of views, but how are they actually making money? Now, we're gonna talk about exactly how much money 1 million views generally is for most of these YouTubers and how much they're actually bringing in from a profit perspective. Because according to Business Insider, most YouTubers average about $3 CPM, and what that means is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. So if a video has 1 million views and you're getting paid $3 per 1,000 views, you're getting paid $3,000 US for every million views that you actually have. And so here are more examples. Top 10 trains, top 10 fastest high-speed trains in the world. It's a compilation of the fastest trains in the world. As you can see, 3 years ago, it has 14 million views. So if we pop up the calculator here, 14 million views times $3,000. So like I said, they're getting paid $3,000, and that's pretty much minimum. $3,000 per million views. So 14 million times $42,000 profit for uploading a train video, top 10 fastest trains in the world. So now you're probably thinking, how do I figure out which of these videos I can actually use, and then how do I actually make money doing it? Well, that's a good question, and the way that you actually do it is by using what's called Creative Commons. So every time that I actually typed something into YouTube, what I can do is come to filter here, and then I can type in Creative Commons. So what Creative Commons means is that you can actually download these videos, and if you don't know how to download a YouTube video, all you have to do is Google how to download a YouTube video and you'll find MP4 downloaders. It's very simple to do. And once you filter for Creative Commons just like I did, it'll show you any video that comes up with the Creative Commons filter on. As a side note, you should double check that it's turned on every time you do a new search since it can accidentally turn off, but you can see that it's clearly on here. So I can download this exact video with 6.9 million views and maybe some other top 10 fastest training compilations that are also Creative Commons, and I can repurpose. I can use free editing software like iMovie, and I can re-upload the same video with a different thumbnail and title. All you need is an eye-catching thumbnail and a well-organized title like how there is a top 10 fastest trains in the world 2021, but there isn't a top 10 fastest trains in the world 2022. Since people always want to see the most recent actual thing that they're looking for on YouTube, we can take advantage of that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Realistically, the best things that people are watching constantly every single day are fitness, conspiracy theories, and the like. So if we type in conspiracy, we can see 200,000, 300,000, 2.5 million, 400,000, 500,000. Lots of different actual videos here. 18 million top 10 conspiracy theories of all time. People enjoy watching sports highlights such as top 10 sports, so we can see 1.6 million views on the top 5 PBA moments of 2019. You can see Fox Sports, and there's a lot of other things to look at here. And you can do top 10 sports compilations, highlights, best dunks, and there's a lot of different things you can make videos about. So sports is another one that I really enjoy. Another thing to look at is recent news if things go viral. Also, gaming is probably the #1 thing that people are actually watching videos on YouTube, as it also has its own tab. You can also use things that Google and YouTube tell you are popular. So we can see here that there's actually a YouTube trending, and to find this, all I did was Google search YouTube trending, and you can see YouTube trending for gaming and what people are actually watching. 2 million views in 19 hours, 1.1 million views in 20 hours. You can see these things that people are watching, and then you can remake the videos without making any videos yourself, just with compilations and reposting videos that have a Creative Commons. Again, YouTube is 100% alright with this, so long as you make sure that they're actually Creative Commons so that you can reuse the footage. Here's another cool tool that you can actually use to see how much money these people are making from YouTube channels. We can use a big YouTuber like RiceGum, for example, and what we can do is we can take his YouTube username and we can go to a site called Social Blade. Social Blade shows you an estimate of how much money they're making. So he's making an estimated $43,000 from YouTube every single year. Now that's probably lower than he actually is, because my estimated earnings, if we go to mine on the site, are about 4 or 5 times higher. Obviously, he has a massive channel, but Social Blade is a really cool tool that you can use to estimate how much people are making from YouTube based on amount of views. So with all of that said, let's quickly summarize how to do this. The ideal way to do this is to go to YouTube and look for popular videos that have Creative Commons license, which allows you to reuse them in any way that you want. And then you improve their videos by making a better thumbnail, a more keyword-rich title, and then re-uploading them. Maybe you see 10 different compilations of the world's fastest trains, and you think number 2 or 3 is lame, so you build a better version of all of those previously popular videos and then re-upload it. Your first video might not be great, and your second video might not go viral. But I have friends who are making money using this strategy, and they all started with 0 experience and 0 subscribers. All you gotta do is get started and try to put out 1 or 2 videos per day where you're just downloading, improving, re-uploading, and having better thumbnails, which you can get for $5 on Fiverr.com. You can make $100 per day on YouTube with 0 money to start. All you have to do is just remake better videos that have the Creative Commons license, upload them, and watch the views start coming in. The most important thing to remember is to not give up easily, as there's millions and millions of people on YouTube every single day. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.